Today I'm taking this 3D printed T-Rex and I am filling in the gaps in the print with some green stuff epoxy putty. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So on this week's video we are taking our 3D printed T-Rex and we're going to be filling in all of those ugly gaps and cracks in between the parts of the T-Rex. So for this I'm using a little greenstuff, and this is the version from Reaper. It was just what I was able to pick up locally. And as you can see, I'm just cutting off equal parts of the blue and green strips, and then I took a moment to cut out the center section of the strip so that I would be sure that I didn't have any pre-cured hard lumps in it. And then I'm going to mix it thoroughly before I start applying it to the T-Rex. There's not a lot of special science to it. Once you get it mixed up, you're just going to break off a small piece, roll it into a tiny Play-Doh snake, and then start pressing it around. Here you can see I'm using a tiny metal spatula to scrape off some of the excess of the green stuff. If you've got some lumps that you need to smooth out, dip your finger in a little bit of water and you'll be able to spread the green stuff around a little bit. When you're rolling out the green stuff, it's best to start in the middle and then spread your fingers outwards in a V shape. It makes the Play-Doh snake a lot more even. Green stuff and other epoxy putties like it tend to stick to your fingers, so keep your fingers wet while you're working with it. Don't get too ambitious. If you work on too many areas at once, your green stuff will start to get hard before you can smooth it. What I like to do is take the lump of green stuff that I've mixed and throw it into my cup of water. This will keep it from hardening up on you as you work. Use whatever tools you have on hand to smooth out the green stuff, and that includes your own fingernails. This is very tedious work, but the payoff will be really big when we go to paint this. So remember, all of your lines can be a little smooth in comparison to the texture of your miniature. Use sculpting tools or paintbrush to try and repeat that texture as best as you can. Oh my god, this is taking forever.
Forever! Forever! Forever!
One eternity later.
And there you have it, guys. Our 3D printed T-Rex is ready for paint. We've got all the joints filled, and we'll be able to prime this out and start base coating it up. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.